Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ebony.
I'm Erica.
And in this video, we're going to be clearing up any misconceptions, myths, or misunderstandings about using keratin in our hair routine. And we're doing it with the help of our hairdresser, Lesia. Okay guys, so we got Lesia in on this too, so let's talk this relaxer keratin debate, because as of right now, we are dealing with both. Quick little commercial break. Lesia actually is not going to be answering the questions in person with us like we did last time. We actually emailed her the questions and she answered them, so that's how we're getting her answers. We'll have everything like on the screen and stuff so you guys can see it, but shout out to Lesia for doing that. Alright, so first we're just going to get into the differences between relaxer and keratin, because some people kind of think they're similar or pretty much the same, but they're really different. Alright, so relaxers straighten your hair by breaking the bonds of the hair. When you break the bonds of the hair, you lose your natural curl pattern, which means eventually you won't get them back. Right, and then keratin coats your hair and then it strengthens your hair, and bonus, you do get to keep your curl pattern. Alright, so here's what Lesia had to say. So she says that this is the big misconception between the keratin treatment being a straightening process. It is not a chemically derived product. The keratin is a protein, which its purpose is to strengthen the hair from the cortex inwards and outwards. It does not change the molecular structure of the hair. A relaxer consists of sodium hydroxide and can be damaging if not applied and maintained properly by a professional. It is never recommended to do your own relaxer due to overlapping and over-processing of previously relaxed hair. Yeah, so a lot of people, including myself, at the beginning associated keratin as a straightening process or a straightening treatment. It is not. It's just a form of strengthening your hair, just making it stronger, coating your hair and everything. As far as the damage between the two, or which one has more damage or lesser of two evils, relaxers have the more potential to damage your hair because it's got that sodium hydroxide in it. And also, a lot of women, when they do relaxers, they tend to overlap. And I think that's the main issue with like damage coming from relaxers. And a lot of people blame the relaxers, but most of the time you're not doing it properly. You don't have anyone to put it in your hair that's doing it the right way. It's not one of the relaxer's fault, but like I said, there's that potential is there for more damage. As far as formaldehyde and keratin treatments, y'all, it is 2019. There will be formaldehyde in keratin treatments, but the levels aren't as bad. The levels of formaldehyde aren't as bad, but still do your research. And then before we go any further, we're just going to clear up the notion and the comment we got that keratin is only for Caucasian hair and does not serve a purpose for type 3, type 4 natural hair. I'm not quite sure where that mindset came from. The only thing I can think of is that, how when we used to say perms, we automatically associated perms with black people, when clearly white people use perms, but whenever you say perm, it's like always associated with black hair. So keratin treatments are definitely black girl friendly. And even Lesia, she says that the keratin treatment is for all types of hair. The purpose of doing keratin is so that you can strengthen your hair during any chemical service or on natural hair that needs to be reinforced with the keratin strengthening properties. The benefits are strength, growth, and health. It's for all types of hair. But yeah, natural textures can benefit from keratin treatments. It's freeze-free curls. Curls won't be compromised. It's easy to get your hair straight without compromising the curls. Yeah. But overall, it keeps your hair healthy, strong, and growing, like Lesia said. Okay, so now that we know the difference between relaxers and keratin, and then we know that you can definitely use it on black women's hair, the one thing we want to get into, which is the main part of this video, is can you use both relaxers and keratin in your hair? Some people think, I think our last video, a lot of people were thinking you can only use one or the other because they're both going to damage your hair. And I know some of y'all are cringing at the thought of us entertaining the idea of both a relaxer and keratin treatment. However, that is our reality at the moment, so kind of just hear us out. So Lesia goes, the best process to do this would be to have your relaxer done and then have your keratin treatment done so that it fortifies the hair after the hair has been broken down by sodium hydroxide. And when it comes to these two, relaxers and keratin, you're not really overlapping anything, so there's nothing really to worry about. So if you have relaxed hair like us, you still have to keep up with getting your relaxers. No matter how long we stretch or whatever, we still have to eventually get our relaxers. So yeah, keratin just builds up what relaxers broke down, especially when you stretch for so long like us. So it is okay to use both, it's fine. Obviously not in the same sitting because that's just too much, but you can just go ahead, put your relaxer in, have your stretch, wait till the stretch is over, and then use the keratin, and it's just going to build up. It's going to pretty much make your stretch a lot healthier because it's just going to strengthen your hair. Alright, now I did ask her about my hair in this picture. This was from my very first wash after the keratin treatment. I did a whole video on that, you can check it out up here. But yeah, as you can see in that picture, you can see the curly hair from the new growth, and you can clearly see the relaxed ends. So I just asked her to weigh in on whether I should get another keratin treatment after this one runs out, or should I just maybe get a relaxer touch-up or something? And she goes, I will recommend we continue doing our regular relaxer routine. The purpose of the keratin is to strengthen and preserve your hair during the stretch. Our reasons are that with strength during the stretching, you won't have any shedding or breakage between the relaxers. So yeah, this kind of ties into what we had just talked about in the last one, but the curly hair was the new growth, and just having keratin in it just makes it stronger and better to just kind of coexist with the already relaxed hair, so they just won't like conflict with each other. So if y'all do stretch, just know that it can take a toll on new growth. When you have two textures of hair, it is a struggle. We know it's a struggle. We told you guys before. But as relaxed gals, keratin is doing us a favor. If you keep doing keratin, you can go natural without doing a big chop, apparently. That's one of the reasons why some people go to keratin. But with us, we are relaxed, so we do have to keep up with our relaxers. So it makes sense when she said to go ahead and just keep up with your relaxer routine, and then go ahead and then do keratin after that. We're gonna have relaxed hair videos. We're not going natural anytime soon.
Never say never.
I know. Can you guys imagine us with no relaxer videos? Some of y'all I think can't imagine that, because we see those comments.
And last some of y'all want to know how important that first wash is after getting the keratin put in. Some require you to put the keratin in and then 2 hours later wash and deep condition, and then some require you to wait 3 days. So here's what Lisa said. So the first shampoo should be done within 3 to 7 days after your initial keratin treatment. However, there is no specific timeline. However, it is imperative to use a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner which contains keratin throughout the whole process to further strengthen the hair and extend the treatment.
I guess it's not like super critical to wash it out like 3 days or be on a specific timeline like she said, but I think the most important thing that I got from that was that you just have to have proper keratin aftercare. So we have a whole video where we have products that's best for keratin. I have my wash video. I have all that linked below. But yeah, just taking care of your hair and extending the keratin is like the main thing. It's expensive too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a unofficial Q&A with Lisa. She is going to be in the comments answering some of your questions. I'll let her know when I upload this video, but she said if you guys have any other questions, she's going to be lurking in the comment section, and she's actually going to answer your questions. So so that was really nice of her to take time out of her day to do that. So if you guys aren't clear on anything that we said or have additional questions, or maybe we didn't answer any of your other questions you have about keratin with either relaxed hair, natural hair, or just in general about hair, Lisa will be answering for us. And we'll be answering too, but she's going to be the main one. She's like that expert voice.
Don't forget to watch our other keratin videos. We have quite a few videos on keratin treatment.
We actually have a whole playlist.
We'll have the playlist linked below, so you guys can watch that as well and maybe get your questions answered. But yeah, it is fun that Lisa will be in the comments. So.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next Sunday with another video. We might have a vlog on Wednesday. We're still struggling with that, but be on the lookout for that. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss out on it. Hit that bell to get the notification, because sometimes just subscribing is just not enough, because YouTube just has that little thing. But yeah, we'll see you guys for our next video next week. Bye!